I'm Professor Matt Garratt, and I'm an aeronautics engineer, now a professor of robotics. During my career, I've worked on various projects, but I actually started off in the military myself. I was in the Royal Australian Navy, the Fleet Air Arm, and I've supervised about 30 PhD projects during my career, and this one now with Geodrones is really exciting because it's working with industry and has a fantastic potential.
My name's Alcock. I'm one of the co-founders of Geodrones and the CEO. So Geodrones is a small company here in Canberra. We're focused on building advanced manufacturing capability in the autonomous system space. We're particularly focused on multi-rotor and fixed-wing aircraft, but also do a range of advanced technologies and subsystems in the autonomous system space, such as power systems and edge compute capabilities. So we have been close with Matt as one of the lead researchers at UNSW for quite a number of years now, and have had various opportunities to be able to really kind of take advantage of his research, take advantage of what he's been undertaking over his tenure within UNSW, and our ability to partner with Trailblazer really catapulted us into real projects that we could get our hands around and actually start to bring some tangible outcomes into Geodrones from the research that Matt in particular has been undertaking.
I think the best thing about Defence Trailblazer is how it breaks down those barriers between industry and universities and gives us the opportunity to move those fantastic research ideas from the abstract academic sort of realm into the industrial space where they can actually be seen on real products and real capabilities for defence.
This particular project is focused on the speeding up of self-autonomous drone algorithms, particularly SLAM. The intent of it is to provide a small enough solution to operate on small UAS systems at fast pace, so particularly past 10 meters a second. That's the goal of the project.
So my perspective of the project is trying to fly the drones through a forest or a flooded environment as fast as possible. And what that entails is an open-ended question. So that's the PhD, trying to figure out the best solution in order to get that drone through that forest and return with information.
One of the really nice features about the PhD program that Darcy's doing with Geodrones is that there are 2 internship periods. So as well as doing your studies at the university, you'll actually come here for 2 separate terms where we get to actually try and use some of the technologies developed on real drones and do some experiments and gain that experience away from an industry.